Mastering idioms. Shoot from the hip. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that's often heard in conversations, movies, and even in professional settings: shoot from the hip. Join us as we unravel its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively in your everyday English. Shoot from the hip is an idiom that paints a vivid picture. But what does it actually mean? To shoot from the hip is to speak or act impulsively, without taking the time to think about your actions or their consequences. It's about being direct and spontaneous, often without worrying about diplomacy or filtering your thoughts. The origin of shoot from the hip takes us back to the Wild West, a time when gunslingers would fire their weapons without aiming carefully, directly from the hip level. This method was quicker, though less accurate, symbolizing fast reactions without much deliberation. Today, we use this phrase metaphorically to describe quick, unfiltered responses in conversation or decision-making. Let's see how this idiom plays out in real-life scenarios. In conversation, if someone is known to shoot from the hip, they're likely to give you their honest opinion without sugar-coating it. In the workplace, a manager might shoot from the hip during a meeting by making a quick decision to address an unexpected problem, relying on instinct rather than detailed analysis. To use this phrase effectively, consider the context. Be aware of the setting. It's more acceptable to shoot from the hip in casual conversations than in formal settings where diplomacy is crucial. Know your audience. Make sure that your straightforwardness won't be misinterpreted or cause unintended offense. Understanding and using idioms like shoot from the hip can add color and depth to your English conversations, making them more vibrant and engaging. We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident in your language learning journey. Remember, the goal is to communicate effectively, whether you're aiming carefully or choosing to shoot from the hip. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.